Hi guys, welcome back to Life with Liz. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you something a little bit different. If you didn't know, I love fitness and nutrition. I went to school for it. I've been a gymnast for a really long time. Well, not anymore, but I was a gymnast for a very long time. So anything fitness, nutrition related, I absolutely love. So I figured why not share some of the workouts that I really enjoy doing. And so what I'm going to start doing is something called Fitness Friday, and every Friday I'm going to be posting some type of fitness or nutrition related video. So whether that be a workout, whether that be a healthy recipe or something along those lines, I'm going to be posting that every single Friday. And so that for me is number one, something that I absolutely love, and my channel is just all about sharing my passion with you guys and giving you good ideas to make your home and your life just a little bit easier. So that's my first reason. My second reason is going to keep me more accountable as well. So if I know that every single Friday I have to post a workout or a nutrition related video, it's just going to keep me accountable, so I like that as well. So today we are going to be using these fun little resistance bands, and we're going to be doing a leg and booty workout. I absolutely love resistance bands. It kind of just takes your workout to the next level. So if you do not have these, they're very cheap and affordable. I will link them in my description box. I got mine off of Amazon, but they come in a set, and usually they have different tension levels. So this is a light one, which is really stretchy. It's not going to be that hard. They have medium ones, and then I also have a heavy one, which you can see is a lot harder. So it's going to be making your workout a lot more difficult. This workout you can completely do without resistance bands. If you don't have them, but you still want a good leg and booty workout, feel free to follow along with this workout. You do not need the resistance bands. These just add a little bit more tension, kind of just make your workout a little bit harder, but they are not necessary. So definitely, if you guys want a motivational workout and a really good idea, feel the burn, you can totally still do this workout. Don't feel discouraged if you don't have the resistance bands. But I'm going to use the resistance bands because I need to take it up a level. So let's just get into it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lizzy. I post lifestyle videos, cleaning, organization, decoration, fitness, all kinds of fun videos. So hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And let's just get into the workout. The first exercise is going to be side kicks. You're going to place the resistance band right above your knee and just kick your leg out to the side. It is really important that the leg that you're standing on stays slightly bent. You never want to lock out your leg, so you are protecting your knee. So have a slight bend in your knee and just kick out your leg. I want you to try 1 to 3 sets of 25 on each leg. Our second exercise is called back kicks. It's very similar. The resistance band is still right above your knee. I still want a slight bend on that knee that you're standing, so we're not in a locked leg position. And you're just going to be kicking your leg backwards. Each time that you kick your leg, once you get to the top, I want you to squeeze that butt cheek as hard as you possibly can, and that's really going to activate your glutes. Our next exercise is sidewalks. Now, this looks easy, but I'm telling you, man, does this burn. You are going to put the resistance band around your ankle this time. You're going to get in a slight squat position. You don't have to go all the way down to 90 degrees. If you can, that is awesome, but just aim for having like a half squat going. And you're basically just sidestepping back and forth. And oh my goodness, you guys, this burns so good. Our next exercise is glute bridges. So go ahead and lay on the ground. You're going to put the resistance band right above your knee. I'm showing you right here that when your booty is up off the ground, you want your knees and your legs to be in a 90-degree angle. You're just going to go down and up, and as you go to the top, you should be squeezing your butt cheeks as hard as you possibly can. Also, when you're in this position, you want the weight to be towards your heels rather than your toes. So you should be able to wiggle your toes as you're in this position. Next exercise is glute bridge with an abduction. So you're going to go into that same glute bridge position, and you're just going to spread apart your legs like so. While you're doing this, your glutes should be squeezed the whole entire time. They do not relax, and you do not touch the floor. You hold your glute position, your glute bridge position, and you just open and close your legs. This next exercise is called clamshells. And basically you're going to lay on your side, your legs are going to be stacked up on top of each other, and your feet do not come apart. So your feet are stacked on top of each other the whole entire time, and you're just going to lift your leg up and down like so. This is working your outer glute and your outer thigh. It hurts so good. You want to make sure you're doing it on both sides, but make sure your feet do not come apart. It's only your legs that are coming up and down. Your feet stay glued together the whole entire time. Next up is fire hydrants. So if you can see, the resistance band is still right above my knee. I'm just going to go into my hands and knees and just lifting up my leg to the side, and it stays bent the whole entire time. This feels so good. You guys have to try this workout. It was killing me and burning me literally the whole entire time. I'm definitely going to be sore tomorrow. Moving on to squat kicks. Go ahead and stand back up. Place your resistance band, if you have it, around your ankles. Remember, you can totally do this workout without a resistance band as well. So you're going to do a squat, and then as you come up, you're going to kick your leg. You're going to squat back down and then kick your opposite leg. So that is this exercise. My resistance band is an extra heavy one, so it's really hard to kick. Ideally, you would like to kick your leg higher than I am, but mine is so heavy that it's very hard to kick. Also, I'm showing you right there, make sure every time at the top of your squat, right there, you're squeezing your booty. Our last exercise is squat jumps. Go ahead and place that resistance band around your ankle. You're going to squat down and explode up and jump as high as you possibly can. This is going to be challenging. It's going to get your heart rate up, but it's a great way to finish our workout. Alright guys, I wanted you to see how actually out of breath I am. It seems like it's like the littlest movements, and it's really not that hard. But as you can see, it really is. The tension, the resistance really makes your legs and your glutes fired up and working hard. And finishing up with that last little high intensity movement really gets your heart going. And it's a great way to finish your workout. Haven't been feeling good the past several weeks, so I haven't worked out. As you can see, I'm very out of breath. I gotta get back into it. So, but I aim to do 15 to 25 reps for each of those exercises, and then I'm gonna do it 3 rounds. So if you're a beginner, anyone can do this workout. Beginner all the way to advanced. If you're a beginner, try to do that 1 to 2 times. If you're a little bit more advanced, try to do 3 times. And you can do this at the gym before a leg day. This is a really good way just to warm up your glutes. It's called glute activation, which you want your glutes and your legs to be fired up before you actually start your workout. So this can just be almost like a warm up for you if you're a little bit more advanced. But yeah, you can do this in the gym. You can do this in the comfort of your own home. It's a great workout. You can do it with or without the resistance bands. So there's no excuses, you guys. I know summer is coming. We got to get ready. We got to get in shape. We want to feel confident and looking good. So I really hope you guys try this workout out. If you do, let me know in the comments below if you liked it. And I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. More Fitness Friday will be coming, so stay tuned. That's going to be it for today, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you are new here. And I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye, guys.